In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate WordPress with Zoho CRM. To begin, you will need to set up a web form inside your Zoho CRM account. This form is what will capture customer information from your website and then send it into the correct Zoho CRM records. Take a moment to get to the Zoho CRM dashboard first, because the menu items we will use are located near the top of the interface. Next, click Setup using the gear icon in the top right area of the Zoho CRM screen. This step matters because Setup is where Zoho groups all the configuration tools for forms, channels, and integrations. When you click the gear icon, you should see a Setup menu open, showing multiple options for customizing your CRM experience. Now, from the Setup menu, click Web Forms. This option is typically found under Channels, so you may need to look slightly within that section. Clicking Web Forms is important because it is the area dedicated to creating forms that can be embedded on websites like WordPress. Once you select Web Forms, you should be taken to the Web Form Management screen, where you can view existing forms or create a new one. After you are on the Web Forms page, click Create New Form. At this point, you will give the form a clear name and select which Zoho CRM module it will send information to. Fill in the name and choose the module, and then click Create. Choosing the correct module is critical because it determines where the submitted data will be stored in Zoho CRM. For example, selecting the right module ensures that leads or contacts are created in the expected place. Once the form is created, you will see a Form Builder workspace. Now, drag and drop your desired fields onto the form. This is where you decide what information you want visitors to submit. You might add fields like first name, last name, company, or any other data you want your CRM to capture. As you place each field, pay attention to how it appears in the form, because the order and layout can affect how easy it is for users to complete the form. After you have added the fields you want, you will move to the next part of the setup. Click Next Step, located at the top right of the Form Builder interface. This is a natural transition from designing the form fields to configuring the form behavior and its display details. Before you click Next Step, make sure you have included everything you need, since this is typically where you finalize settings. On the next screen, enter the form details, and then click Save. The exact form details can include information such as the form settings and any display options Zoho requires for the web form to function correctly. Take your time here and confirm that the details look correct and align with your intended WordPress integration. When everything is entered properly, clicking Save will store your new web form configuration. At this point, your Zoho CRM web form is set up and ready. The integration with WordPress will rely on this saved form, so completing the save action is the key finishing step in the Zoho side of the process. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.